The sophistication and operational and combat capabilities of the Boeing EA-18G Growler fighter jet is a marvel in military technology. Born out of a dire need for a superior electronic warfare aircraft, the Growler's inception was a response to a shifting battlefield. Its designers, armed with a vision of resilience and dominance, sought to create a machine capable of unmatched airborne prowess. They envisioned an aircraft that could not only defend, but also strike with precision. And thus the Boeing EA-18G Growler was born, ready to redefine the boundaries of aerial warfare. But what makes the Growler roar? What gives it its formidable prowess? The answer lies in the heart of the beast, its two F414 GE400 turbofan engines. Each one is a marvel of engineering, delivering an impressive 22,000 pounds of thrust. The result? Unparalleled speed and agility in the air. These engines don't just drive the Growler, they define it, shaping its capabilities and setting it apart from the rest. With power like that, the Growler stands as a force to be reckoned with. Now, let's delve into what makes the Growler a true predator in the sky. This beast is capable of reaching top speeds that are simply mind-boggling, and its ability to perform super cruise, maintaining supersonic flight without afterburners, is nothing short of awe-inspiring. But it's not just about speed. The Growler also boasts cutting-edge stealth technology, which allows it to slip past enemy radar undetected. This combination of speed and stealth makes it a formidable force. In the realm of speed and stealth, the Growler truly soars above the rest. So, how does this aerial beast perform in the field, you might ask? Well, the Boeing E-18G Growler has seen its fair share of deployment in various military operations across the globe. Its operational capabilities are truly something to marvel at. With its state-of-the-art electronic warfare systems, the Growler can effectively jam enemy radar and communications, leaving them blind and deaf on the battlefield. But it doesn't stop there. The Growler is armed to the teeth with a variety of armament options, giving it the firepower to engage and neutralize threats effectively. It's not just about brute force, though. The Growler also boasts advanced situational awareness features. These provide pilots with a comprehensive view of the battlefield, allowing them to make informed decisions and take tactical advantage in the heat of combat. In the hands of skilled pilots, the Growler is a formidable tool, capable of dominating any battlefield. So, what have we learned about the Boeing EA-18G Growler? From its conception to its deployment, the Growler embodies a marvel of engineering. Its impressive engine power and performance, combined with its speed and stealth, make it a formidable force in the sky. With superior operational capabilities, this jet is not just a machine, it's a testament to human ingenuity. And let's not forget its ability to supercruise. In the world of military aviation, the Boeing EA-18G Growler stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of aerial superiority.